Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making fried pork chops. That's easy to do, doesn't take many ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to do them. I've got 3 or 4 pork chops here. I've put in some buttermilk and they're kind of big. I've been setting them in buttermilk. I've got salt, pepper, garlic, and a pinch of cayenne pepper mixed in here that I'm going to put in my dredge. I've got my oil heating up about an inch or a little bit more. You're kind of like deep frying them. You can take your pork chops and beat them a little bit with a mallet, make them a little bit tender, but I didn't do that, but you can. You want to take your pork chops and dredge it in the flour mixture. Press down. Try to get that flour to stick. Way to tell your oil is hot is just put a little bit of flour in the oil and shake off the excess. Gonna do another one. I'm going to cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how big the pork chop is, how thick it is. The pork chops are fried, and look at these beauties. They are golden, crisp, crunchy, great. We're going to have vegetables and some cornbread with them, but you can have anything you want. Any kind of sides will go with pork chops. 2 people could eat off just one of these things. These are huge. So I hope you try these. These are delicious, and there's nothing better than a fried pork chop. With the drippings that were left over from the pork chops, you could make some gravy to go with creamed potatoes or put the pork chops back in there, whichever way you like it. The recipe would be down in the description. Down in the comments, let me know what you like to serve with pork chops. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.